Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Monday, the 31st of January, the very last day of January of 2022. And we're back for yet another stream. Today we are going to be taking a look at auto update day. Which, spoilers. We all predicted when would be the first day that it does not complete by the time the stream starts. And, today is that day. It is not done. So we're gonna be watching the tail end of it, I guess. It makes sense. A lot of things updated today because Black made a release and Reorder Python Imports made a release. So all my stuff got updated and all of everyone else's stuff got updated. So we'll be taking a look at that. It might also be stuck. I don't know. I just haven't gotten my pull request yet. So I assume that it is still going. But anyway, welcome back. Thank you again for the, thank you for the raid, Beldothus, before the stream started. Good to see you. JJMC was first today. On Nightly's also here. Fixter Jake is here. CMY, good to see you again. And Marsha is here. And Beldothus, who has changed their color to be unreadable. But anyway, let's look at what we got for today. First off, we'll do open source review, and there is no open source review. I have not I haven't done any open source since last time. Well, that's not true. I've reviewed stuff and merged things, but I haven't written any myself because I've basically just been playing Pokemon. Going to work, playing Pokemon, and sleeping. That has been my last few days. I'm really enjoying the new Pokemon game. But yeah, Lob saying hello, welcome. But yeah, no new things since last time we did this. Playing Pokemon at work? Not at work, Nerfrost. I do go to work. Nerdx, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And by go to work, I work remote, so go to work for some value of go. Okay, let's see where we're at with auto update. Assume it is still going. We are getting tons of runs, which makes sense. Where are we at on our dashboard? Oh my. Yeah, quite a lot of runs today. Q got 60 back. We've been scaled up pretty much. No, we have not. We've only scaled down in this region here. That's kind of nuts. He says stuttering. What do you mean? What do you mean? Actually, I read a recent study about stuttering, and you can make people stutter more by telling them that they stutter. This is an interesting psychological thing. But yeah. Oh, the way I phrased it. Okay, yeah, sure, fair. And this spike here, we have learned this is Dependbot. Dependbot runs at this time period, so we actually kind of see 2 spikes here, which is interesting. He said something like, all I've been doing is going to work and playing Pokemon. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. But yeah, we're about to, the last like couple thousand are, I believe, my repositories, because I have not gotten my PRs yet. But presumably I will soon. Also, the thing about today's update and why there's a ton of runs is a lot of them are double runs because Black changed how its formatting is in the latest version, which was, I guess, an interesting decision on their part. But since it's not done, we don't have everything to look at yet. But while it's in progress, let's take a look at how many got queued. 9,721. Damn, that's like 600 more than last week, which is kind of nuts. I guess it is taking off in popularity a bit. Pari, hello. CMY got yours 4 hours ago. Nice. The unserver says ArmorF strings replaced French strings. Yeah, I am a little bit sad about that. Although I don't use Black, so I don't really give a shit. I'm gonna sub again. I hope you fixed it. I didn't break it. It wasn't my fault. But yeah, RIP French strings. 2022.1. But yeah, Black now rewrites them. Oh. I made a typo in this. No one seems to have noticed, which is fine, I guess. Why are there 3 replies? Okay. If it's any consolation, it still sort of works. The French Republic. Wait, did it not work again, Pari? Did you check the little box? What's going on? Why is it not working? But on this says, the heck? I'm making a flake8 plugin for French strings. Yeah, make it happen. Make it happen. Easy. Hey, what's up, Bagel PT? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. What? Okay. Yeah, anyway. RIP French strings. Right. We wanted to see how many installs we're up to. We don't have the run count yet because things aren't done. Almost up to 1,000 installs. Probably why, it's probably why we see so many runs. So many repos. We can peek at runs. Actually, this value isn't live, so I think it's yeah, every 6 hours. We passed 400,000 runs. Were we at like 380 last week? What happened? Holy shit. Oh, queue spiking. Am I getting my repos yet? No, still no. Mine are always last for some reason. I don't know how the ordering works. I think it's unordered, but like it always seems to be me being last. Ray says, is anyone sponsoring you for pre-commit, or are you paying for all the AWS services? I am paying for all of it. There are some pro users. I can't show them on stream because that would kind of give that away. Yeah, there are some paying users. You're a staff engineer. I mean, I would like for this to be my full-time job, but it is not because it does not make enough money to be a full-time job. But if I got enough significantly sized customers, then or enough customers, I guess, just in general, then yeah, I would do this full-time. I would stream full-time. It'd be great. But I have to have day job for now. I'm so close to being able to just saying no more day job, but not quite there yet. But the other thing I want to check is our metrics. We will see that spike, and I want to see how far back it pushed the queue time. Oh, they changed the. Why would they do that? This looks so awkward. They changed the styling of this, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay, so we do see it's 5 minutes back. Not terrible. It's not great. It's not terrible though. It's actually fairly okay. Do you do any marketing? I have not done any marketing other than, you know, streaming and people mentioning it on Twitter. That's the sum of the marketing at the moment. Oh no, these aren't mine. Those are the Twitch bot. The Twitch bot just got its update. Hopefully one day all the cloud platforms will have pretty UI. I don't think they will. But how you doing, Grandpa's iPad? Welcome back. Yeah, this isn't done yet, and we will take a look at it soon. I guess I can merge these 3 since they're here. We are delayed right now as well. Kind of makes sense. Whole bunch of runs at once. But we'll let those run. Sag, what's with your funny capitalization, Pari? What's up with that? What's going on there? Okay. But yeah, we will leave this run. Oh, I want to check the dead letter queues. Seems actually fairly really quiet today. Yeah, no dead letters. 1,000 more of these to process. That actually completed all right, despite being loaded. So fairly, I would say a fairly successful load test. Like this is as bad as it gets, essentially. With auto update. Due to yeah, oh, I guess we already have the dashboard open here. this is as bad as it gets, and I'd say, like, you know, the system handled the wood fairly well. I could probably bump the ceiling a little bit to whatever this. I still don't know what this spike is. I still haven't figured it out, but I will eventually. Okay. What I wanted to work on today, while this is running in the background, we can just let it run. Also, GitHub added new spinners here. They only show up for GitHub Actions, which is a little strange. I don't know how to make them show up for my thing, but I wonder if they added a new status, because I know there's pending. Pending is the old status. I don't know if there's a new one. Let's see. GitHub status API. State. Error, failure, pending, or success. Okay, so they have not added a new state there. Maybe there is for checks, though. But checks suck. They're like broken in other ways. GitHub check statuses. Hey, what's up, Flotstrew? I may have stumbled upon a dumpster fire today. Have you heard of dgraph? Dgraph these nuts? No, I don't know. I have not. Don't know what it is. Checks API is what I want. Hey, what's up, Schmiley? Hello, hello. How you doing? About check suites. This is an image. I don't trust it. Create a check run. Status. Viewed in progress or completed. Oh, and then there's conclusion, which is action required, cancelled, failure, neutral, status, skip, stale, or timed out. Crazy. Okay, anyway. Hey, what's up, C445I? Who says, hey, could you please show what mouse you're using? The shittiest mouse ever. It's a Logitech B100. Literally the garbagest mouse. Oh, did I forget to change the category? Oh, I have the right category. Good. Good. Apparently they wanted to go full open source. Their VC said no. Now the CEO fired all the employees and quit. Oh shit. I don't know if I can use them for my next project. Yeah, that seems like probably not. Hey, what's up, the Joe Mega? Hello, hello. Dgraph is like Neo4j. I've used Neo4j a bunch, actually. But I don't like to admit that because then then I get on graph database projects, which I don't really want to do. Viral Double Helix, welcome, welcome. Who just says big. Okay, all right, cool. What's the thing in your left hand? Oh, this fidget spinner. Oh, slightly broken fidget spinner. Ah, ooh, that was almost bad. My chair is on a little piece of glass, and so if it falls off the glass, it's tipping hazard. Would you be fine with moving back to your Logitech keyboard? I no longer have it, but yeah, I would do fine on it. Can you do a video on your Pokemon hack like last time, but show setup explain code? Do you mean like? I mean the README has all the code for it. Oh, that's not the right place. For this project. Yeah, like I've spent a bunch of time on stream going over it, but you know, there's an entire assembly diagram and like how you hook things up and how you flash and build and write custom code. I don't know that I would want to do. I mean, I could do a video on it. The thing is, like, I don't think it would get any views. I don't think it would get any views because the other ones didn't get any views. But like, I don't know. Domanga says, continuing with FF7RE, there's a minigame where you need to do pull-ups. You want to know how annoying it was? I hope that the person who made it suffers from thirst whenever they drink something. Oh no. Hey, what's up, James Boyne? Hello, hello. I confused your spinner for a mouse. Oh yeah. I'm a very fidgety person, so I have a few spinners. But your graph looks kind of perfect for what I want. All the parts I need are already open source. Ah, nice, nice. Did the poor little keyboard not make it out of San Mateo? It did not. F's in the chat for my old Logitech keyboard. Doesn't get any views, pretends he makes money in the first place. Yeah, but if you look at my YouTube statistics, I am actually trending upwards. And I would like to maintain that. I mean, it doesn't look like it here, but and if you ignore, you kind of have to ignore December as well because I produce more content there. But like 1,500 average views here, 2,000 average views here. I guess that one's not 2,000, but it's slightly trending upwards. It's not zero. It's not much, but it's not zero. That's not. That was confusing. Think if you say hack on Pokemon with Python, you can easily reach 1 million views. Yeah, but I'd have to make like a nice thumbnail too, and that's just wow. I hate making thumbnails. Anthony has to quit job and daily upload. Daily upload's like overwhelming as well too. I don't know. Full-time streamer with editor for YouTube? Yeah. I don't edit anything. That's the other problem too. I don't know. My content's not that great. Maybe I'll make one. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'll put it in the list. We'll see. They'll explain Pokemon Switch thing. M-coding? I don't know who that is. That's why you pay someone else? Yeah, I don't have money to do that. Oh, I did it wrong. Did the command wrong. I know how my bot works. You explain random on Pokemon. I see a lot of videos. Really interested to watch a YouTuber explain how. What do you mean? Like how the RNG works? In which game? In which generation? Because the RNG has changed many times, and there's many forms of it. There's many ways to manipulate it. Did words just jump around in that sentence? Yeah. It's kind of confusing, your bot and you have the same color. I'm always like, who is who? Yeah. Yeah. That is true. But, I don't know. I like this color, so that's why it's that color. I feel like I'm not an authoritative figure to talk about RNG in Pokemon, mostly because I've done none of the research there. It would just be me regurgitating someone else's content, which I don't really like to do. I'd rather make my own like novel content. But yeah. Anything doesn't speak in chat unless it's a command. Yeah, that's pretty true. It's pretty true. Almond Soy says, "Is it legitimate to ask you a coding question?" Sure, you can ask whatever you want. That's what chat's for. Tubeworm, hello, hello. Good to see you again. But yeah, what's your question? Also, yeah, James Boyan's got it. You would be your questions, don't disappear your questions. Yes, indeed. Just ask. Invert a binary tree. Step 1, go fuck yourself. Yeah. How do you invert a binary tree? Where is the nearest exit? Well, I guess in remote interviews you can just hang up then. Oh, my connection must have got interrupted. And oh, that's weird. It looks like I no longer want to work here. Here's someone. Says it's like a big wheel and turn on the start of the console and you press a button. That's not, well, it depends on the game, and it depends on the seed, and it depends on which RNG you're dealing with. But yes, you can kind of think of it as like you seed it at a particular time period, and then it churns every tick, and ticks are either time-based or movement-based or interaction-based or other stuff like that. That's kind of how the RNG works. Or it's true RNG, where it's not really seeded, not really controllable. Like in 8th gen, 7th and 8th gen, I think it works that way. I don't know. You could look it up and get an answer. My answer is not going to be authoritative or helpful there. But how are there only 300 left and none of mine have gone yet? I feel like I'm scamming myself with my own service. Okay, anyway. Last time we worked on Babi, we added this functionality. Where we can do QAll, and it will prompt us for each of the ones that we modified. We also added QAll bang, which allows us to quit without caring about modification. Scaling up again, that's actually fine. Scaling up is good. Although there was a spike and then it stopped. So it's going to scale down almost immediately. Because we have no queue depth. Oh, I guess we have yeah, we have less than 1 queue depth, so I think that will trigger a scale down. Which that's the way it goes. Gotta get that priority queue. I mean, the auto updates, the order doesn't really matter. Oh, fine. Color Marku, hello. Welcome. What RNG method do you think is best? Well, it depends on what you're trying to do. Like if you want true RNG, then you use like a secure random instance, or where you get entropy from the OS. If you want predictable RNG, you use some sort of like Mersenne twister with some seeding in some way. You want testable random, you use a different random, but also predictable, but slightly different. I don't know. It depends on what you want the random for. Priority heap is 01 pop, the first one. Yeah, I mean, well, actually, no. Priority heap, it depends if it's min heap or max heap. Because left pop from a heap is not 01. Left pop from a heap is log n. But sure. Anyway. One worker is one EC2 instance or one thread on EC2? There's one worker per instance. There's one worker per box. That way there's like no chance of one repository cross-pollinate against another repository. And it makes the performance of checks predictable rather than all over the place. Because if you had 2 things running at once, one could gobble up all the resources and essentially choke out another one. So yeah, they're just small EC2 instances, and each run gets the whole box, essentially. Tony Sano, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Pop is always the top node? Not necessarily. It depends on like how you're implementing it. Because you could pop left, pop right. Check each other out. I mean 0.1% of the earth? No, I don't know what you mean. What I mean is that there's no resource contention. Or it avoids resource contention. It's a very interesting scaling pattern. I actually think I could have scaled up higher here and cut some of the spike. Of course, costs more, but I think I can also scale down less aggressively. These fall off almost immediately. And if they stuck around for a little while, I mean, it would cost more. Yeah, it doesn't work. This one I used was in Rust. It just has push for the top one. Yeah, I guess I was talking about like heap queue, where there's heap hop, heap push, but there's also ways to access it from the other side. Yeah. So this is heap pop and heap push. This actually pops from the left, not from the right. But actually, yeah, no, in a heap, getting the minimum value is always the 0th index. And so removing that value is necessarily going to do a reshuffle. So I'm not sure where you're getting 01 from that, because that shouldn't be 01. Yeah, see, pop is log n. Yeah, pop is log n. Because it pops from the left, and so it has to reshuffle things. But I blame the time it's midnight. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. But yeah, peak is quick and push is relatively quick. But pop is always gonna be log n. Vector shuffle tuffle, yeah, pretty much. Orma says, "Happy auto up dog day." It is auto up dog day. that is true. Still have not gotten my PRs yet. What the hell? Must be in these last 373. Must be mine. I mean, about 80 of those are mine, surely. Irma says, "I've had a really shit day today. I failed my driving test." Oh no. Oh no. I'm looking forward to stream all day. Well, you're here. Welcome, welcome. Pop is quick if you're not going over cap. Basically amortized 01 like vector push. No, pop has to do a shuffle. It's not amortized 01. Push is amortized 01 because it's essentially a vector push. Did it finish before the stream? Do you see how this number is 370? It's not done yet. We got a little bit more to go. This is about where stream started. Stream had 1,000 to go. But today Black updated, so literally everything got an update today. Marku says, "Gotta come out 3-7 for CentOS for work." Have fun. Good luck. Omega says, "It's just me, or is it surprising that 1/12 of the year is done already?" Yeah. Fucking kill me. Like Anthony is about to make auto update day every 2 weeks. It's only taking 6-7 hours right now. We have like 24x growth before we have to start even thinking about that. If you merge those PRs every week, don't eventually half your commits end up being updates? Yeah. Kind of sucks you have to scroll through all those auto update PRs. I mean, you don't really have to. You can just do git log and grep that. You can also grep v that. Is 2020 finally over? I still write 2020 for the date sometimes. Like, I bet if we open up my YouTube channel, I bet if we look on the VODs channel that I've put 2021 on at least one of the videos. Let's see. 2022. Yep. Sure as shit. There's one. Only one. Oh, okay, well, I guess I can fix that really quick. What year is it? This one? Oops. I'm surprised I didn't put 2020 though. I've done that way too many times. But anyway. Ooh, 8,800 subs. We're getting close to over 9,000. Be cool. But yeah. Okay, so what I wanted to do today is last time we did QAll and we made commands easier to write. I wanted to make a reload command. I don't know what that's going to look like, but we'll see. I almost wrote 2019. Oh no. Oh no. How did you learn that stuff about heap and big O? Some of it was just when I was first learning to program, I was like, I'm gonna look up data structures. And so I learned about like trees and vectors and linked lists and Wiktionaries and that sort of stuff. I didn't really memorize much of that. It didn't really stick much of, like, keep much of it in. You do have like a general gut feeling about how fast and how slow things are. But I had to actually learn them for my data structures and algorithms course in college. EECS 280, no, 281, 281, 281. I don't know, the class was pretty unmemorable because the professor didn't actually teach. He just like opened up Wikipedia and scrolled through Wikipedia. It was actually kind of a shit class. The guy was really funny though, but he just didn't teach. So yeah, mostly through reading Wikipedia, to be honest. Yanshi Tom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The Devil Kid's here. Hello, hello. Herman says, I figured out why I couldn't watch the VOD earlier today. I was in a public area and their Wi-Fi was set to restricted. For some reason, your streams were considered unsafe for kids. I guess because we swear? What? That's kind of weird. I was pretty sure, I'm pretty sure both my channels have the same setting. Kind of weird. I don't know what that's about. If you hear hash in the name, it's fast for comparison search. Sometimes, yeah. Reload is setprocess.run pkill. No, that would just be force quit. I tried taking the MIT class on YouTube, but it was a bit too dense for me, and I didn't take as much on board as I was hoping for. Yeah, the thing about like classes is unless you actually need to learn the information for some reason, you're just not going to retain it. So I don't really know like learning for the sake of learning can be interesting, but I feel like it doesn't stick unless you have a practical approach. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But Arsalan, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. How can I start making a project? Come up with an idea and just start hacking on it. Yeah, I mean, for me, it was always like, what do I want to do? What do I want to get done? And what do I want to get out of it? And then how do I do it? How do I get there? Search around, figure out what programming language you want to use, figure out what tools you need to use, libraries, etc. And just, yeah. Have things you can have, people you can ask questions to. Sometimes that's nobody and it's just Google. But I don't know. But my bet says, literally, if you don't have some kind of project to apply to with active recall, it's really hard to remember stuff. Yes, yes. Practicality for big O notation is kind of hard though. Yeah, so I don't really memorize big O notations. I just think about conceptually how it would work, and then based on that, I kind of figure it out. Like, you know, searching through a linear list. You know, you have to look at everything. It's going to be ON. Thinking about how a heap is built. So it's a contiguous chunk of memory, but it's got like a funny binary search thing in it. So you kind of know that like adding to it is just stick it on the end and reshuffle if needed. Removing is remove from the left and then reshuffle to fill that spot. Peek is just look at the 0th value. Peek is the fastest operation. Like it's you kind of just like think about how it works, less so than memorizing. Oh well, this one is n log n and blah 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 blah. Guesstimate YOLO. Yeah, exactly. Like Tubeworm says. Sab, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Yes, let me figure out how fast heap sort is n log n or something. Well, you can kind of just be like, for sorts, you can kind of just be like, if it's a not shit sort, it's always going to be n log n. If it's a shit sort, no one uses it, so it's not worth talking about. That's my strategy for sorts. Like, if somebody asked me, like, what's bubble sort, I would just be like, probably n log n. Heap sort, probably n log n. But I guess if I, like, break it down and think about it, like, the way bubble sort works is it's, you know, I guess n squared, unless it's mostly sorted and then it's closer to linear, and like, sure, fine, it's not exactly n log n, but like, yeah. Oh, look, this algorithm is 01. Meanwhile, it just always takes an hour. Constant time for a very large constant time. Shit sort, yeah, exactly. Incorrectly correcting my correction. No, I know what you meant, though. And my Amazon interview in 01 space and linear time. Nice. Bubble sort is n squared. Then again, who uses that? I guess bubble sort is like useful. The reason bubble sort gets taught is it's easy to implement and easy to describe and easy to talk about its runtime, and so that's why it gets discussed. Also because it kind of works well for partially sorted data, and that's like all you really learn about bubble sort. But then you never use it. Like, pretty much every language has implemented tim sort or whatever the new specialized tim sort is. And like, explaining tim sort to someone, I don't know how to do that. I just know it goes zoom zoom. Also, if you talk about sorts and their stability, like, there's no reason to use an unstable sort. So like, why would you talk about a sort that's unstable? If you want to know how to pick a sorting algorithm, you do sort in your programming language, then you don't bother. Yeah, exactly. Unstable sorts are slightly faster? Not necessarily. Like, they could theoretically be faster, but they're not necessarily faster. And pretty much the fastest and best sorting algorithms we have are stable. Like, typically faster than stable sorting, except in a few special cases when the slice consists of several concatenated sorted sequences. And it shouldn't really be fast. I guess radix sort is your one time you're going to have faster unstable sorts, but radix sort isn't general purpose. You have to know your distribution of data. But, oh man, I have a dumb story about radix sort. Yeah, the thing is, like, even an unstable sort is usually it's usually still n log n. Pattern defeating quicksort. Yeah. Fast average case of randomized quicksort with the fast worst case of heap sort. Yeah. Typically faster, but probably not necessarily. And this is in Rust. Like, this might, like, what is their stable sort implemented using? Sort, where's their sort by key? Adaptive iterative merge sort inspired by tim sort. Yeah, like, you're probably not going to do better than tim sort. And the difference in speed between these is there's no way it's going to be significant for any application. So I just use unstable because why not go zoom zoom? That just sounds like a pain in the ass. That just sounds like a bug waiting to happen, and you're just gonna have to debug it someday and be like, why is this sorting inconsistently? Like, there's no reason not to use a stable sort unless you can absolutely prove that your performance is worth it there. Junior, hello, welcome back. How you doing? Oh, you came from Lewis's stream way back when. Nice. So I see you've got Zemotes. Right, what were we doing? Oh, is this done yet? You done yet? Refresh. 100 to go. What the fuck? Do I just get skipped today? Maybe there's a bug where it doesn't run mine? Unless these 100 are all mine? It's crazy. I still... Unless I'm banned from GitHub or something, I still don't have notifications for my repos. Yeah. Why never... Oh. I wonder if we can see what is left. No, because we can't look at the queue. I don't think there's a peek. Yeah, we can send and receive, but we can't peek. Oh well. It'll get done eventually. Seems the Rust compiler prefers unstable. Yeah, I mean, they probably have a reason. Well, actually, no, it seems they prefer stable. Yeah, this got closed without merge? Or was it merged separately? Yeah. This is the opposite. This is just saying that they prefer stable. The commit message says it should be faster. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in here at all, whatsoever. So. That's why this was closed without merge. Never mind, I can't read. Yeah, it's late. Oh, there we go. Now it's finally doing my repos. Now we get the cascade of 60 emails in my inbox. So I must be literally the last one. Nice. And this number is gonna get big because it's all my repos. Although they run fairly quickly. Actually, it's going down. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, did I close the dashboard? I did. Did indeed. Stonks. Hey, I mean, it's scaling up. It's doing its job. Oh, that's good, at least. Not done yet. Okay, but what I want to do in Babi today is screen. I wanted to implement commands. I wanted to implement a reload command. Command reload. No arguments. And how do I want it to work? I would like it to prompt if there are changes. Load the file from disk. Position the cursor. Cursor. Attempt to position the cursor in the same spot. What to do with the history? Do we maintain the history or do we purge it? The like undo redo history. Maybe load from disk could be its own history operation. Okay. If modified. If you're saving changes, you should probably keep history. Can you split Python classes over more than one file? Not without hacks. Python doesn't have native partial class support. You could do terrible mix-in stuff for decorators or sorts of. Probably wouldn't want to do it. Do we have comment to use the grammar to decide between? Yeah, so not currently, but I want to implement that at some point, and I also want to have the tab default as well. Basically, I want like a top level value in the grammar that tells you what the comment character is. There isn't a, it's not implemented right now. So it just defaults to Octothorpe because I'm the main user and I mostly use Python. Oh, and actually you can see that here. Yeah, right now it just defaults to this. But what it probably should do is use the root grammar of whatever it's rendering and get the default there. But otherwise you could specify it. So if I'm editing SQL, I can use --. From editing JavaScript, I can use //. Okay, I think this is done. So I'm gonna open all these in tabs and then merge them, and you get to watch the merge fest. This is something else we want to look at. But today is going to be the big auto update day because every project of mine uses my import sorter, so lots and lots of updates today. Even Babi got an update. Of course Babi got an update. Why wouldn't Babi get an update? Something interesting happened to me. For the first time, a recruiter contacted me via my work email. Oh, that happens to me all the time. The shitty thing that recruiters do is they guess like first name dot last name or first letter dot last name. And that, you know, happens to be what my alias is at work. So they yeah, they get through a lot on that. Finally using my 64 gigs of RAM. Yeah, well, not really. We're only using 17 somehow. Chrome is using 2 gigs. I'm actually surprised. I thought it would be more. Ahmed Tukar, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I guess we'll start from, where's our green one here? A lot of these, oh yeah, we gotta zoom out so that they fit on screen. Sorry, this is gonna be small font. You'll just have to deal. Oh, that one's not done yet. Ooh, this one got, wait. Wait, what? Wait, what? Why do I have this twice? Did I mean to add something else here? Is this just a mistake? Okay, well, we'll leave this one too. That's fun. Super reordering, yeah. One says, is this Git hooks? I thought these are shell scripts. I'm not sure what you're asking. Are you confused about what pre-commit is? Check out these links and you can learn more. Hey, what's up, Spyro? Hello, hello. Different hook args? Yeah, but they shouldn't have different hook args. I don't know why both of them are there. It's probably a mistake. We will find the answer pretty soon after I merge all these. Briox, hello, hello. RKJ is also here. Hello, hello. who's just lurking. Maybe a bug in the all repos run. Yeah, maybe. I'm guessing either a merge conflict or the initial commit added both of them for who knows what reason. Oops, that was almost bad. The control Q. That one we need to look at later. Our big chunk of green. Zoom out again. Wish the button didn't move. I wish it was just in a static place. But hey, we noticed something weird. This little message is useful at least. Oh, flake8 should have gotten a black bump today too. Wonder how much of the code changed. I wonder how many French strings were brutally murdered today. The poor French strings. Well, I'll still use them in my projects, but not in flake8. Oh, that one's done too. This is gonna create another spike on the graph, probably. Yeah, this one does not have things. Neither does that. Neither does this. I have a bunch of these that are like right in a row that don't have alternative CI. Okay. My code style. So the funny thing about this is I can't merge it, but I can approve and then merge it. Schmelly says, there's something relaxing watching you merge all that. Oh man. You think it's relaxing watching? Oh. Feels good to do it myself. Man, clicking those buttons. Someone's like, why didn't you automate it? No, fuck it. This is the shit I live for. Being a human robot over and over and over. Flake8, why are you no done yet? Oh, because Windows. Huh. So even though black bumped, we didn't get any style updates. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, CMY's got the answer. Second hook appears to be added here. Oh yeah. This is when we're doing our all repos. Yeah, you know what I probably did? I probably cut pasted or like noticed. Oh, you know what I did? I probably was searching for Pi 3.6 plus. This doesn't have Pi 3.6 plus. So I probably just like didn't notice this was here. We did this on stream though, so surely someone could find the VOD and figure out when I fucked this up. But I'm bringing on flake8-french right now. The good cause, yeah. Yeah, I think you'll have to use the AST. But you want to know a fun performance hack for flake8, which I learned recently. You can do, so normally you would do logical line or whatever to get your tokens. It's actually faster to make a class-based plugin and take in tree and tokens here and just ignore a tree, because this will get called once rather than getting called over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Because yeah. But yeah, the AST doesn't notice the difference. Also, you probably don't need tokenize RT. You can probably do it just with the standard token streams, because you don't need a rewrite unless you're doing a rewriter. And if I guess you're doing a rewriter, then yeah, tokenize RT makes sense there. Arkashim says, Andy looks like Sully from Monsters Inc. You know, that is not one that I've heard before. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. I guess I do have a crooked smile. Maybe that's what it is. Could you elaborate? Not sure what you mean. You can use type in place of typing.type. Yes, if you have from future import annotations, or you're in Python 3.9 or above. Smiley says, "Do you still write Terraform?" I do indeed. Summersoft, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. When you actually round trip with the tokenizer, if you're rewriting the code in multiple passes. When do you actually round trip with tokenizer if you're rewriting the code in multiple passes? I don't understand the question. The horns? Like this? Anthony hasn't seen Monsters Inc. No, I have seen Monsters Inc. I brought this up so I could show you the picture. It would be much more boring if I just talked about Sully. Hey, what's up, Crow? Hello. I've seen Monsters Inc. We got a code 42! We got a code 42! We don't have Anthony reviews flake8-french this stream. Maybe. Have you ever tried out Plumey? I don't like the idea of Plumey. Because I like to be able to format my code, and I like it to be declarative so I know what it's going to do, rather than having to debug executable infrastructure. 2319. I got a 2319. Yes. When do you need round tripping for a code rewriter? Always. You always need a round tripping, because otherwise you would lose formatting. Like you would lose comments, white space, etc. Doesn't BG use Plumey a lot? Yeah, I think so. But I do not. Obito, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think we can merge all of these now. A little too small. These actually got done pretty quickly. I'm surprised how well the oh, I did this wrong. Some of those are not going to merge. I'm going to have to go back and fix them. Damn it. Oops. I was pressing the wrong keyboard shortcut. But it's fine. We'll get this, that. And now I got to find the ones that I didn't merge properly. Those are good. We found a bug, chat. Damn it, GitHub. Oh, maybe I did get them all. Huh. Lucky. I miss it with round tripping is. Yeah, I don't have a thing for tokenized RT, but soon, because where did I do that? On my code formatters work, a 26-minute video where we make a silly code formatter. What does it end up doing? Oh yeah. This is actually a code formatter I had to do at work recently, where this function is partially type annotated but not completely annotated. And we know that we could insert arrow none here and here to make it fully annotated, because we know there's no return statement. So I did a I wrote a little code formatter at work that did this, and then this video is me showing how I would build that same code formatter, using an AST visitor to find the functions, and then using eventually tokenize RT to reverse the tokens and rewrite the parts here. And I show myself debugging it as well. But yeah, that's a video that's coming up, which I think is really cool. I thought it was a really nice video, but I don't think many people are gonna watch it. That's fine. TLDR real quick for the Have a Sleep Me. So the standard library tokenized does not preserve white space. So tokenized RT does what the standard library does, but also has white space. AST stuff like detail. I didn't read the blog post. Owen, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Really looking forward to this. I had issues cross-referencing the AST and the tokens. Yeah, I talk about like the specifics and why it's tricky in that. Let's fix that one repo. Where does it live? Here. Cristiano, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Get branch dash R. Silly mistake. Move duplicated reorder Python imports. Oh, Drunk Time Lords. Oh, DTL is Drunk Time Lord. Got it. Yeah, I understand now. James Wayne says, any chance you remember that simple code format you wrote at one point on stream? That's the problem, is I don't have any search for my stream VODs. That one's gonna be on the old channel, not the new channel. What did we even do it for? Actually, I think I checked it in somewhere. Did I check it in here? Yeah, I did. Here's the code for it. And we also know the date, so we can find the YouTube video for it. It was on my birthday? No, not my birthday. 2020, 2020, 2020, 725. Smiley, thank you for the sub at tier 1. Appreciate that. Yeah, so I guess this is the VOD that contains that. But yeah. I did indeed write a code formatter. Oh yeah, in fact, and build a small code formatter. What was the formatter we did here? Oh, it was like the parentheses one. Oh man, look at that hair. Yeah, this is when we were working on the formatter. Anyway, probably still works. Oh, you were writing your own. Right. Miley says, I forced everyone at work to use pre-commit. Nice. This Kubernetes video, I have this all the time. Oh, your recommendations? Yeah. I think YouTube just is like, oh, programming? Recommended to everyone. Beyond here lies nothing, says I can see the horns. What the Where are their horns? What are you talking about? I don't understand. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yeah, the funny thing about this code formatter is Black will immediately undo this. Which is yeah, a thing, I guess. But that's the way things go. Alright, so we can now merge this. Oh, it's gonna be backed up behind everything else. It's gonna be like, the queue is 600 deep. How do I get the queue number? It used to tell me. I don't remember how to see it. You have to be logged in. I have to be logged in. Which we're just not going to do that. Bookmark the repo. Hope I can scrape my motivation and finish my formatter this weekend. Then chat gets a good roast. Great content. Wait, what? Are you gonna make a funny anti-formatter? I'm just gonna merge this. I don't give a shit. We already know it works because it passed the test in the first half. Frequency I is faster than everything else. We should, before we allow that, we should make sure that it actually is correct. That all. What is ARMv7L? What does the L stand for again? 42-bit processor? What? What does this mean? What does the L mean? Each L and L. Yeah, L is little endian and hard float. You have an ARMv7 processor which may well have a hardware FPU and can run big endian if you wanted to. You happen to be running a soft float user space that doesn't rely on one being present. My main concern is that L and HF, I believe, are... What did the L stand for? Little endian? Oh. I guess they're not different. If so, that's probably fine. We're already doing it. Go back for M1. Yeah. We got double dash. We got double dash. Oh, you want to finish it so that I can roast it? Oh, I get it. I understand. I understand. You want me to roast you? Okay, that can be arranged. This can be arranged. Let me delete my 40 emails. They're all frequency I. Cool. Oh, I actually have some other stuff to review. Let's do that real quick. Makes great clickbait, YouTube. I roasted this chatter. Figure out how. Alright. This one seems like it's gonna be the least ambiguous. Liquid text liquid. Shopify. Oh boy. Shopify themes. Okay. Oh, it's a templating language. A pretty popular one. Liquid markup language. Okay. That seems fine. Seems unambiguous and it's all the same dude. Cool. You don't need to worry about dislikes with the clickbait. I guess it wouldn't actually be clickbait. It would be, you know, true to form. Handlebars templates use HBS. Oh, funny thing about handlebars is they used to use curly brace as their file extension because it looks like a mustache. Or maybe that was mustache? Why did it send me to this page? The fuck? How should I behave? Warning. Respect intellectual property. Please only submit text and other media if you have created it yourself or copied from blah blah blah. The fuck? They're missing an S here. This is not at all what I wanted. Hey, what's up, John NV1? Hello, hello. The algorithm wants you to enhance your calm, says Lob saying. I guess. Like, yeah, my dude, just like, let's do some handlebars. This is like the most useless thing. I literally just want an example. Oh, this uses .handlebars, this uses .mustache. These are just .js. This uses .handlebars. Oh, but this uses .hbs. Like it uses both. It looks like handlebars also uses .handlebars, at least from this. Shit, where'd the tab go? But we can merge this and they can always send another PR. Nunjucks. What a fucking name. NJK file extension. It's going to extend. I mean, that seems pretty unlikely that it would be anything else. Yep, seems fine. Fix typo. Ooh, they had made a mistake. Sure. Then we can use our new little bump script. Those from my inbox. Why are you buzzing, phone? What's happening? Oh shit. Well, I ghosted someone and they're pinging me. I meant to email them and I just forgot. Go to sleep. Well, thanks for stopping by, James Point. Good to see you as always. And good luck on your code formatter. Bum patch. Yo, what up, Melky? This isn't Pokemon. Melky, let me tell you. I want to end stream right now and just play Pokemon, but I can't. I promise. This Monday is programming stream. We do programming on Monday. But pretty much all of my free time has been, well, I've worked, I've slept, and I've played Pokemon. I'm so addicted. Oh my god, I love the game so much. It's so much fun. Movie says, why so many different typing languages and then they all look like this and that? Yeah. People just really like reinventing the wheel. Oh, did I say hi to Supraseno? If not, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. When do you use Azure Pipelines versus other CIs? I like Azure Pipelines because of this feature. I can write a template repository and include it. So what this kind of looks like, let me close some of these tabs. Yeah, so what this kind of looks like is in a repo like I upgrade. We look at our Azure pipelines. my config is very, very short here. It's basically just includes another template and with two different parameterizations, one where we run Python 3.7 on Windows and one where we run 3.7, 8, and 9 on Linux. And this little bit of YAML here includes from this repository here and expands out to, you know, 105 times 1, 2, 3, 4, like 500 lines of YAML. And it allows me to version and upgrade and have a consistent place where I keep all of my Azure pipeline or all my CI templating stuff. GitHub has a similar feature. It does not satisfy my use cases though, so I have not switched over to it yet. Mostly that GitHub cannot do this, and it cannot do this, and it cannot do this. Although I don't actually need this. I can do without that. But I definitely need this. I need to be able to inject steps, and I need to be able to inject variables. I can't do either of those at the moment. Until then, like it says, all I've been doing is playing Pokemon instead of work. Well, at least I'm still doing work. I got that on you. Hey, what's up, Babelbona? Hello, hello. I saw some YouTube videos about RC today, and holy fuck, does it look fun? Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I'm so bad at replying to emails. I'm usually alright about it, but I haven't been at inbox 0 in like a month, and it's been driving me insane. Melky says Alpha Cleavor, Alpha Wordier, Alpha Luxray, Samra, Sylveon, and Inferno. Oh, is that your team? Nice, nice, nice. Mine is Samurott, Infernape, Snorlax, Rapidash. So I have Luxray, boring. And there's one more. I don't remember the last one is, but I've been swapping my team a lot because yeah, I'm trying to fill up the Pokedex. Avacomer B, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. I like the ancestral lore in the game. I've mostly been skipping a lot of the text. There's a lot of dialogue. I do not have time to read all that. But yeah, I've been really enjoying it. Wait, there's stuff about Cynthia's ancestors? Oh, well. Rip. I guess I'm just missing that context. It's implicitly implied. I see. Cool. Well, I have PR to look at. And then I can get to inbox 1. It's almost inbox 0. Okay. Oh, what did I ask for last time? Silly buttons! I do declare. Summer Stuff says we have a confession on tape now. Anthon gets just a speedrunner. I used to speedrun Pokemon games, so that is not incorrect. But also, I just want to get to where I can play, right, where I can grind shiny Pokemon. Sclips Live says, "Are we programming in Python?" We are indeed. We are indeed. Indeed, indeed. Welcome to the stream, Sclips. Okay, so I asked for these to be renamed. I asked for this to move to file instead of buff. Move that up. Test this. Split the test. Rewrite. Okay, let's see if we got all that done. Time Traveler, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Nice. Okay. Good. Oh. That's not good. That's not how that works. Does buff not have indexable lines? I thought it had get item. Yeah, it does. This should use buff. Get item. and does not reach into private notation details. So close. You could just good code change like a ghost. I feel like I've... Yeah, we're just gonna good code change like a ghost. Because I have other stuff to fix too. They press right and left here? Oh, we do press end. Okay, yeah, writing good code change like a ghost. Second food, hello, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Hey Anthony, can you give me 3 reasons why Python is better than C#? I cannot. The answer to that question depends on what you're trying to do, what you're trying to build. I don't really think any particular language is better than another language unless you have a particular goal in mind, and then you can derive reasons around it. It's also the safe answer so that I don't end up in language wars. The answer says, is overriding grep name tuples okay to make password equals *** not show up? Yes, it is indeed. Fact. I do that somewhere. Do I not do it here? Really should. These are sensitive. Not this project? I could have sworn it was this project. Oh, you know what it is? It's that these objects will come from a source, and so it's the source's responsibility to redact them. So this will have them. Yeah. Yeah, I have a repr where it does hide API key. I used a protocol. I think I can actually get rid of this because I'm pretty sure name tuple changed how this works. Well, yeah. This is a thing where I hide the API key, which works nicely. Lumi says, no, it doesn't depend. I can easily give 3 reasons why it's better. Boomy will be spicy. I'm comparing the 2 for a school assignment. Interesting. It's less like Java, no need for private static, private void main boilerplate nonsense. Nicer library ecosystem. I mean, NuGet's library ecosystem is actually pretty nice. Jode says, how do decorators work in Python? Unfortunately, Oramus has linked it for you. I actually have like 5 or 6 videos on decorators now. I feel like people ask a lot about them. I just remember for some things it's not recommended to override double under methods. No, it's that you shouldn't create your own double under methods. You shouldn't make your own names. But overriding built-in ones are completely fine. In fact, like that's the intended extension point for that. Oh, I see. They namespaced it. Okay. 24 different commits. Oh, I guess that's probably me. Okay, what are we changing first? We are going to fix this. Indexable. Yes. Does self-taught buff implement len? Yes, it does. Okay. We fix that. Oh, that's probably. Except up should be before down. Don't go down up, we go up down. These in the right order? These are in the right order. Got one of them right. Okay, down 4. Up and then. Oh! Look at the bug too, chat. That'd be pretty funny. What does that actually do? I think this is gonna be a funny bug. Any verbose modes tend to work in argparse command lines. Do you have a bunch of print statements wrapped in if-v? Yeah. Yep, that's kind of how they work. Okay, so Shift Alt down. Shift Alt up also does down. You can't go up. That's funny. Nomnies, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Isn't IDX int for get item not technically correct since it can take a slice as well? Or do you choose to keep it as an int on purpose? Yes, this does not implement the full this does not implement the full sequence API intentionally. Because slices would be mutable, and so it does it in a different way. It only allows assignment and access by value rather than by slice. And I have a protocol somewhere that allows me to do that. Somewhere in here. I don't remember where it is, but there's a protocol somewhere in here. Tony Abbott's balls. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But you're right, CMY. It doesn't follow the full full interface there. OM, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Alt down. This needs to be alt up. Okay. Did I say hi to OM? If not, hello. I think I probably did, and I probably just did it twice. So you get 2 hellos. A hello, hello, if you will. This one didn't get reordered either. It'll be up, down, right, left. Just like the other ones. Up, down, right, left. Up, down, right, left. Okay. This is probably fine. You just said it twice right after each other? Yeah. I thought I might have. Okay. Good code. Change like a ghost. Let's make sure it still passes the test. Movement test. It's the only place where this thing shows up. Yeah, you can't spell silly buttons. Good try though. There's like no reason for this. This is what the commit message should be. Boop. Logging handler sends streams out to console, but logging will still require if the multiples of burst velocity beyond 2. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you can use the log level to kind of do that. OM has been falling for 9 months and 28 days. Wow. Quite a while. Alright, good code change like a ghost. Beldathis has redeemed code review. Oh my goodness, is your linter already done, Beldathis? Did you finish it already? Do you want me to review it right now? Is that what we're doing? Is that what's happening? Moomy has been following for 2 months and 2 years and two months. Oh yeah, no, that was right. 2 months, 2 years, and 1 day, just in a very stupid order. Wow. Alright, I guess we can review this. Anything else that I was planning to work on? Flake8-french! The Frenchiest Flake8 plugin. Alright, what do we got here? Not too many files, should be easy to look at. Let's look at it in the tab that matters. Git ignore pre-commit, yes. Oh my god. I see you have taken GitHub's git ignore. Okay. I find their git ignore to be a little bit overbearing. That's fine. Pre-commit, fairly standard, and even up to date. Wow. Although you could probably get away with 6 or 7 here, but requirements dev should just be PyTest cool reamd. Oh, you forgot to update. I can see where you copy pasted this from. It's a belay. Hello. Panther, welcome back. How you been? Might want to check out the reamd. Yeah. Oopsie. Yeah. I never win these foliage contests. Feels bad, man. Why don't the OG followers just stop watching? Tony Evans Ball says which to that. I approve the rest. I mean, want to be real pedantic? Sure, fine, whatever. I'm not even a Python programmer, but I enjoy smart people code. Forgot to save before commit. Oh, should I pull then? I'm waiting. You can push if there's something that you missed. You hate me if I use black? No. You can use black if you want. I just don't like to use it myself, personally. That's just a personal opinion. Python is an easy learn if you have a smart teacher like anything. I see. Yes, indeed. Smiley says, remember that Git exploit found recently? How was that? Can't recall. Which one? Because there's a whole bunch of them. You know, Git has had many vulnerabilities over the years of various things. Watch -n.1, yeah, that would be a little bit aggressive, but then we wouldn't see it. I intentionally did 2 so that so that we can see it. Anything like gray confirmed? No, I don't use gray either. I don't even know if Beldas is. I'm pretty sure this song is looping. Oh, I missed it. I said I wasn't gonna miss it, and then I missed it. All right, the reamd is fixed. Yes, French strings, yes. Okay. Since there's already a nor fork of black, I wonder if we can PR change the string prefix order to enforce French strings. Yeah. Would you be sad if GitHub goes down forever? Not necessarily. Oh yeah, Tony Abbott's. It's because it's a copy paste from I have two meme Flake8 plugins. The flake8 match, which also has rationale lol, and flake8 walrus, which has rationale lol. The appropriate rationale for both of those. Okay, so we've looked at these, we've looked at this. Let's look at the setup stuff next. Setup CFG, cool, yes. Nice. You can probably use more modern pre-commit hooks then. Cool, seems fine. Cool. This should be empty, it is. At our test. So, seems about fine. Little typo. Little babby typo. Nice, I got it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Yeah, looks good. You can actually get away with doing this. You don't need it to be triple quoted strings there. But yeah, that looks good. You can also, I think, fit this on one line. No, not completely one line, but that would work. Yeah, seems fine. And then the implementation. Meet data. So the cool thing about the next version of flake8 is you won't need to do either of those things. It took so much work to get rid of those two little things, but the new flake8 won't need those. Kind of great. iPad.org flake8-french 404. Yeah. Can you add 2.7 support? Don't call flake8 walrus a meme. I mean, I embrace its mentality, but yeah. Didn't Guido leave the Python board? Yeah, that was part of the unpopularity of that syntax. He forced it through and then was like, peace, bye, yeet. Oh, I think there is, wait, how does this work? Because if this works, I broke plugins that work like this. I don't think this actually works. It did. It does, then I have problems. Why didn't it work? What happened here? Why did this... Yeah, that's not running. I don't know why. The newer version of flake8 will give you a good error. At least. For this case. Pips return some... Dependency conflict? What the fuck do you mean? Just upgrade McCabe. Why is there an error? Error but exit 0. Okay, so it's just garbage message. Oh, I have the wrong flake8. The fuck? What is going on here? There we go. That's the error message that I was expecting. Because the plugin has to have at least tree in the argument spec, even if it doesn't use it. And there's no code attribute. There is a thing for this though. That'll actually save you from having to do this too. I think it's file tokens. You don't need to do this. There was an L there. There we go. That works. But yeah, I don't know how yours is working. I'm assuming it doesn't work. re.all is a thing? Yes. Where did you see re.all? Oh yeah, here. Did you get this from TokenizeRT? There's a thing in here for that. It's called the meat. Oh, maybe it's not in this. There's the I think it's a Prigman hooks. Somewhere I refer to a string as the prefix and the meat. I think it's in here. Double string fixer. String fixer. Start quote re. Why is this specifically a double quote? Oh, great, because yeah. Meat. Niku. Oh, but you did steal it from there? Perfect. I don't know why .all is used then. Oh, capture both parts and to support triple quoted strings. Yes, indeed. Indeed. But yeah, you can probably get away with not having this part and removing this part, because you only care about the prefix bit. So you can probably just do this. Oh, I see. Oh, you literally copy paste this. Yeah, okay. So you just do get prefix. And do this. Do I really do this in TokenizeRT? I can probably fix that too. All repos graph dot group parenthesis digit parenthesis and Python files. Because in newer Python, you can do this. Why did that not match? Oh, because right. It's using get scrap, not Python scrap. I'm gonna do this. Oh, and there's a lot of them. But I can, in theory, clean up all of these. But that is for another day. I just tried running the test. Oh yeah, the test will pass, but flake8 won't know what to do with it. But now we should be able to do be able to do something like this. Return list tokenized.generate tokens read line. And results is tree equals ast.parse s, tokens equals tokens s, tree tokens. Object is not subscriptable. Oh, why did I bother with type annotations? What am I doing? I am wasting my own time. First string literal is not defined. Right, because I broke your code. There we go. There we go. A little bit of shenangling. Finagling. A little bit of waggling. But yeah. Works, works. Does WinterNet need to take a different org? Yeah, it needs to have tree if it's class-based. And yeah. Mio thinks, hello, welcome, says you're one drippy dude. Do I drip the drip? I think I have drip. Goldex Pepe, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Oh, I wanted to show you something cool. Yeah. Oh, you'll notice that new Flake 8. These fancy colors. Huh? Now we got your error. If we install old Flake 8, what does it do? Yep, uninstall Flake 8. Yes. Pip install Flake 8. Yes. Okay. It works in the old Flake 8. Wait. In a different order. In a different order. Someone's gonna complain about that. I don't know why they're in a different order. We probably won't be able to see the difference in timing though. Okay, so 5 rounds of this, 172 is our fast one. Yeah, we won't see any significant difference in timing in this, I don't think. This. I'm broken. I'm using Flake at Windows 95 and the colors are broken. Please revert. Actually, I have handled that case, ELA. On Windows 95, the colors are disabled. One millisecond faster? No. The main difference in speed you'll notice on larger projects. But yeah. And now Flake 8 colors will die. Juicebox Hero! Hello, welcome. Have you gotten the new Pokemon game, Juice? Have you spent an absurd amount of hours playing it like I have? Says, thanks for the stream, gotta sleep. Well, thanks for stopping by, OM. I'll see you around. I'm calling Flake 8 from MATLAB and the colors are broken, please revert. That'll get detected too as well. Because it won't have a TTY, hopefully. Unless MATLAB does stupid things. 82 Gray 82, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I need to fill my water. So I'm going to do that real quick. I will be right back. And I will see you in a sec. too behind on work for a new addiction, Juice. Nonsense. Just fall down the rabbit hole with the rest of us. Thanks for the review. We'll change the stuff tomorrow and publish it so that people get to do their raw F strings the right way. Nice, nice, nice. Isn't it too dangerous to leave chat visible on screen? What's the worst chat could do? I don't think I could violate TOS from something someone says in chat. I mean, you could probably make like Among Us dongs or whatever, but I don't think that's gonna get me banned. Use banned words? I mean, I don't think that's my problem. Dragon Mike Z, hello, hello, fuck work, yeah, exactly. Ormus is gonna go to bed, sounds good, sounds good. Dragon Mike Z says, Pie Pie. What is this emo? Yes, Pie Pie. We weren't actually using Pie Pie. Oh, yeah, Pie Pie's right here. Yeah, I'm, I don't do much for it, but, I am a member of Pie Pie. If my profile loads. There we go. See, where's that snick? Yep. I am one of the 21 members of Pie Pie on GitHub. It's kind of cool. XJ says, email from the hiring manager, offer coming in a few days. I'm so ready to make more money. Nice. Congrats, Fixter Jake. That's awesome. But yes, that is why Pie Pie is there. I am a contributor. I don't know if I'm listed. Pie Pie Mirror GitHub. There's like a contributors list. I don't know if I show up in there. I don't even remember where it lives. I thought it was in the root. Maybe not? Is it? Did they list it in their license? Oh yeah. Hey look! There's me! It's me! Neon Leets, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see. How many of these names do I recognize? Oh, there's too many to go through. Yeah, but there's too many to go through. I probably recognize a lot of these people. Yeah, like I'm seeing a bunch of familiar names as I scroll through. Anyway. Juice has redeemed Type Racer for chat. TK Penning has asked, how long have we been coding for? Are we doing a hard mode or an easy mode? Juice, which one do you want? How long have I been coding for? There's an FAQ video about that. Just look at the whole playlist. How did you get started? There we go. FAQ get started. So check out that video. Also kind of excited to do more of an S3 role. I like playing with infra. Nice, nice. Nice. Alright, so easy mode today. Oh, I gotta log in. What is this? Type Racer. Copy my password. No, we don't do pray. Alright, click join. And we'll start racing. Oh my god, this is a long one. Oh, this is gonna be a rough one. Oh, good luck. Ah. Wow, I was zooming, but somebody was faster. I think this is my high score on this keyboard. I was moving today. I was real zooming today. Is this Marsha? Who's 138? Who is the zoomer today? Who is the zoomy? Python and nice, nice. We had 4 fast folks today. 5 fast folks today. But yeah, that's pretty zoomy. We'll do one more. We always do at least 2. Stark, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? But yeah, I was man, I was even faster than that, and I slowed down at the end. I could have gone even faster than that. Well, my page froze. Oh no. I thought I recognized it, then halfway through saw Frodo. Yeah. It's like, I had the same thing. I was like, this seems familiar. Seems familiar. No. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I would have won, except I missed the last character. No. Oh well, that was still pretty fast. Thank you for the redeem juice box here. Oh, Nacho is here. Nacho streams in just chatting. There's your shout out. Welcome to the stream, Nacho. How you doing? 74 and 76. That's still pretty good. Still pretty good. Better than average. Nacho will smoke us all at typing though. He types really fast. 106 to 107 improvement. Nice, nice, nice. Why did you let him slash her win? No, I just fucked up. I just goofed. I choked. I choked away the dub. I took the L. Face planted on the finish line. Yeah, precisely. Precisely. DC Clip says, I'm slow on the advantage too, but I'll get on that sometime. Yeah. I'm faster on this keyboard, usually. But I could eke out another 10 words a minute by switching keyboards, but that's too much work. 68, easy light. Got a bit of an off by 1 there. Asmek and Ayup, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, 120 is more than you're ever gonna need, so I'm okay. I'm okay being about there. I don't know why I can always only type in burst, not constantly at high speed. I can do better if I'm not reading. I'm just like, I'm shit at reading. Like I can type much faster if I'm transcribing what people are saying. Like we do this interview type at Stripe where there's 2 people in a room. One is just literally a scribe, and I can keep up with the speaking pace, which is much faster than I can type here. But here I'm slow because I have to read, process what the words are, and then spit them out. Oh yeah, with proper capitalization punctuation. Yeah, that's the hard part. I'm not so great with the symbols over here. I also cheat. If you watch a clip, I don't really type like a proper typist. So I get away with what I get away with. But yeah, I'm a burst typer too. I'm especially a burst typer when I do type racer because it's reading and regurgitating rather than actually just zooming. But I type faster if I type my own thoughts. Yeah, exactly. Do you like this split keyword? It's okay. I like it because it looks cool. But I never really struggled with like ergonomic issues, and it doesn't help me type faster. In fact, I'm slower on this keyboard. Who doesn't type faster when you're typing your own thoughts? Yeah, I'm pretty sure most people do. Although, I don't know. I think if you're There's probably a cutoff where, like, if you're slow enough at typing that whether you're typing your words or someone else's doesn't make that much of a difference. But okay, what are you? Selectively preventing removed duplicates. No. Yeah, that you just don't understand how imports work. Sorry, no. Thyroid is not doing the correct thing here. They should make their checker compliant. Yep, not gonna make a feature for someone else's buggy software. Yeah, average is only 40. Average is only 40. So. Hello, Stinky says I don't like babies. What the fuck? What's going on, my dude? So another streamer have a split keyword with extra keys in the middle between the thumbs. Oh yeah, like the Moonlander, or the fancy advantage. Damn, you just don't understand imports. Yeah. Yeah. First thing I turn off in VS Code. Yeah. Babies are pretty bad employees. I don't like them as well. Okay, did I merge this? No, we approved it and we did not merge it. I guess we can merge that. Then we can make a bump again. Even though I'm not going to use that feature whatsoever, and I might remove it at some point because I'm just not going to use it. Are you looking for a tube worm command? I don't know what tube worm command. It says, I also thought every program can type blind. It is named touch typing. Yeah, touch typing in English. I'm the only dev at work that can. I don't think I can properly touch type either. I'm pretty sure I still cheat. Where did the cool tube worm pick go? Wait, what? Your avatar? What is this? What is this? Oh, Twitch like ruined it. How do I make it bigger? What sizes do we think Twitch supports? What if we do 2x? Verboten! Oh, what it is. I want to see the actual 3x 300 300. Let's hope that works. Oh, there we go. It's not like I dug this tunnel for you, Baka. You know, I don't think I've seen this before. Oh. How do you enter your password on stream? Do you use a key manager? Yeah, I use Bitwarden. It's not logged in here, but it's logged in on the browser up there. Commandant Nova says, I can't believe I'm procrastinating for my own PR at work to watch someone else merge theirs. I didn't even merge my own. I merged someone else's PR. That's even funnier. Oh, it's a pic you found on the internet? Nice. Is touch typing different from just home row stuff? Typically when I think of touch typing, it's home row typing. You know, using these fingers to do all your typing, and you know, properly orienting them and using the right fingers for the right keys. Rip says, Andy, listen to me, this is very important. It's either 300 or 500. Wait, we can go bigger. Go bigger. That didn't work. Oh, here is this is the original, I guess. Nice. Anyone have some eye bleach? Oh no. We cannot show titties on stream. Oh my god. Time before code says, what am I looking at? It's the representation of Sundari Tubeworm. But yeah. What was I even doing? What was I working on today? What was the goal? What did we get lost on? Brander did work, yes, it did indeed. It did indeed. Did indeed. Also not touch typing. I developed my own style after learning touch typing in school, but I type blind. Yeah, I mean, same. I don't properly type. The goal is to restore French strings, yes. Is Nginx gaining popularity? Will it overtake Apache? They kind of solve different problems, but I assume that there's more Nginx running in the world than Apache. I would be surprised if it's not that way. But I also don't know. I also don't know. Oh, I guess we can look at the final stats now that it's done. This is right when it finished. This is the spike of me merging. And yeah. Nice little graph for today. Did we end up with anything in Deadletter? Snow bugs! Maybe putting the cart ahead of the horse, but potentially no bugs. But yeah, it's good. That it all worked out in the end. Tables, 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 tables. And I don't think this is updated. It's still gonna be 417, yeah. Get live item count. Does this cost money? Yeah, we are not going to do that. That will be big big cost. That's an expensive button. That's a bring down the website button. How convenient that Amazon gives you a bring down the website button directly in the console. Pirate is Microsoft Type Checker? Yeah. Yeah. Indeed. I don't know, it's like every time I browse WebMD I find 5 different cancers I possibly have. I wouldn't be surprised if Nginx had already overtaken Apache. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it has. Almost certainly. People study in CS get infatuated by emote or pictorial things should be banned. What? What does that mean? Commandant Nova says, I don't need labeled keys to type, but if I close my eyes, I keep drifting off the home road. Yeah, same. Uberm says, Rocket Dick 100 Spud. Tater. What? My friend at Instacart brought down Prod because he clicked a similar button for SageMaker. Yeah. It's crazy that Amazon just like gives you bring down the side buttons. Yeah, that is how Babi was born. Babi is me fucking up my home row. BABI. Of course, there's no B key on a split keyboard right there, but that is where it came from. Oh, we're implementing reload. I just want to play Pokemon. With this keyboard, would Babby been called differently? Babby just wouldn't exist. There's no key. There's no key here to press. Yeah, I don't know what Babby would have been. Babby might not have been called Babby. It might have just been called like A editor or something stupid like that. Okay, we need to prompt. We need to quick prompt. How does this work? quick prompt. Do I really only use quick prompt twice? Mamp? Yeah, I guess if it went in the other direction. Yeah, that's true. The Jolp Mega, that would have worked. It's cool to make an editor. People learn quite a lot by doing it. Yeah. I've learned so much junk from building this editor. But it looks really nice. I'm really happy with the highlighting. That is the hardest part. If modified response equals self.quick prompt file is modified. Continue? I think it puts the question mark there for us. Find out though. No. What does quick response return us? Quick prompt. Stir or prompt results? So it will return either cancel or the character. Yeah, the character. Okay. If response does not equal yes, then return. Okay, so now if we babi and we edit and we do reload and we say no, it just cancels it. We do this and Control C, we get cancel. Okay. However, I didn't know you could catch keyboard interrupts. Where are you seeing that? Or do you mean because I did Control C to... Oh, as cancel? Yeah. Control C just sends sig int, which curses translates into... I don't remember what it translates it into. We can find out by looking quick prompt. Maybe in this file. Oh, literally into Control C. But yeah, there's some like terminal mode where it changes how it works. That's how that works. Maybe that is a better way to word this. Reload will discard changes. Continue, yes, no. Yeah. Is babi supporting flake8 in line? At some point, I will add lenders. It'll be Control T when it's implemented, because that's what it used to be in Nano. But I need to reload before I can implement that feature. So this is a step in that direction. That's why I'm doing this. Can babi default to running black? Why would it default to running something that I don't fucking use? Oh. Of course not. Pitbull Proton, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I guess the answer is yes, in a roundabout way. It'll probably default to running pre-commit. And if you set up black and pre-commit, then it'll work. But it's not going to run black inline directly. It's going to run pre-commit, probably. Unless that ends up being too slow. Or not feasible for some reason. But I'm pretty sure it'll just run pre-commit. What's wrong with black? I don't like it. Well, I don't prefer it. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't agree with some of its stuff. No more French strings. Yeah, exactly. They got rid of French strings. Burr, burr, burr. Burr, burr, burr. Burr, 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 burr. I guess to be clear, this is what I mean by French strings. What's wrong with white? What are you talking about? The library is racist. The library called white? Yeah. How do these Git integrations work? Is there a thread constantly running git diff? You mean in like IDEs? Kind of. There's kind of, I guess there's two approaches. You like pull git diff, or you I notify against the contents, or Watchman, or whatever you want to use. Yeah, that's 11. Oh no, what dumb shit did I say on Twitter? This is the last dumb shit that I said. Something else. Maybe someone else like replied a bunch to one of these. No? I'll look at what that 11 is later. Okay, so relative to changes, load the file from disk, attempt to position the cursor in the same spot. And then what to do about the history is the tricky part. French's format plus raw? Yeah. It's a bit of a, it's an Anthony Writes Code special. It's a stream in joke. Where we talk about French strings. Okay, I think I can actually make this be undoable, redoable. But I think this should call self.file.reload. Oh, actually, if there's no file name, how could it reload? So we can also do that as well. Oh, we're in the wrong file. The wrong file. It's in the wrong directory. File name is nullable, so if it's none, it does not exist. If self.file.file name is none, self.status what should the error message be? File has not been saved yet. Seems like maybe not a good error message. Oh, I don't know how to do status. Oh, self.status.update. I remember how my code works. Reload. Maybe with a bang on the end? Reload. Well, it's not been saved yet. Redis backend storing cursor position. Oh no. No, no, no. How often do you guys use Redis? What is the size of your Redis cluster? I don't use Redis personally. We used it at Lyft. I don't know much about it. I didn't administer it. Also, if you're heading out, Panther GG, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Cobra Killer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I think this is fine so far. And then this, I think we'll just handle in here. Action. It'll be an edit action. Oh, but how will save work? Yeah, how does save work? We do a stack. Probably make this a confusing logic, but yeah, we will need that here as well. Okay, so let's put this in a function. Where was this gonna go? It's not really any of these things. I'm gonna put it right here. Reset modified state to none. That comment doesn't mean anything anymore. It's no longer self.file, it is just self.this. And then we do self.file.reset modified state. Turn none. Oh, but how is this gonna work? We can just do that. I also wanted to reload syntax. What does the final mean here? Oh. Well, I fucked up the highlighting. Oh, because I didn't close a parenthesis. Edit action context. I did want to look at this final. Oh, so final actions can't be chained. What? Where did that go? Final equals true. Reload. That's where we have to do the complex stuff here. Thriddick Gandalf says, is it hard being sexy 24/7? I wouldn't know. Cry. Okay. We don't need this. Reload from disk. Sully from Monsters Inc. now. Yeah. So we actually want to modify the buffer in place. This is going to be very tricky. I don't know how this is going to work. Well, we'll trust the backing code handles this, right? Oh, I meant to save. Oh, we didn't lose anything. Okay, we're good. Okay, so what we need to do is load all the lines again. And we need to delete all the ones that are longer than this. And then... oh, we can actually just delete all the lines and then insert all of them. Append pop. Chord. Is there an extend? That would be helpful. Append is just an insert. Nice. We could also do extend as an insert as well. Be kind of slow, but that's fine, I guess. We could even do a clear. Oh. Oh. There's a lot of logic here that I have to redo. This is the song that I really judge people who put emojis in their commit messages. Yeah. It's like a surprisingly popular convention that I've seen lately. I don't like it either. This is like conventional commit messages, but used with emojis. I think both of them are kind of dumb. It's funny on like on some browsers these will just be rectangles, which is kind of respect for keeping with the convention. Let's see if they even keep with the convention. Oh, speaking of squares on some browsers, I wonder what character this is. Oh. What? Hello? Oh, maybe I need newer Unicode data? Beetle. Needs the beetle emoji. You don't like conventional commits either? Yeah, I don't like them either. It's the current year Anthony browser should support emotes. This is a brand new emote. Brand new emoji. This one's relatively new. My terminal doesn't even render it correctly. Beetle is Unicode 13. Yeah. Hey, what's up, useless pony? Hello. Close the string. No, it's a rendering bug in the terminal. That got squashed. Yeah. Beetle is too powerful. Yes, indeed. But yeah, that's why it worked in 3.10 and not in 3.8. Is the Unicode data module got bumped? Why is Sparkle should be feature, right? Why is this? Or does this person just pick a random fucking emoji for all these? What is the emoji? Oh my god. Sparkle is for code quality. He's eating at the time of the commit. Yeah, you seem very impressed. I can't groan enough. Is there a dung beetle emoji? Yeah. Right. And a facepalm in front of all of them? Yeah. Alright, well I'm starting to realize that this reload feature is way more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Oh, also I have to handle this too. Oh, I guess it gets file name none. Yeah, fine. Zaldemar, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But I think, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do some offline thinking on how this is gonna work. So sadly, this is probably going to be where we end the stream for today, because my brain doesn't want to think. My brain just wants to go play Pokemon. Yano Yes says, anyone got a minute to help me with a new Python question? Just ask. No Good Nick says, this reminds me of my first job out of college. You wrote a text editor? Gaming with 2 keyboards is OP. It's actually really hard to game on this keyboard. It would be cool, but it's actually just really hard. I worked on a team that wrote a text editor. What? What's the chance of that? That's insane. Anyway, but yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. I will think more about this, and we'll do like an actual stream where I have a clearer mind, and we will go through this. Yes, Arceus. Yes, indeed. My first task was handling the various text encodings and how they might change when the file gets reloaded. Oh boy. So you implemented the reloading part. Fortunately, my text editor is like, you didn't use UTF-8, you can go fuck yourself. In fact, I'm pretty sure it crashes on non-UTF-8 right now. Maybe it should like give an actual error message. Yeah, it just crashes right now. But maybe I'll improve that at some point too. Because actually this is really annoying. Sometimes I'll just edit every file in a repo and it'll hit like an image and it'll just crash. Maybe make it not crash, but it's not the best. But you know what? That's a hacky fucking text editor that I wrote for myself, so it mostly just inconveniences me, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. But yeah, let me do my little spiel, and then we will find a channel to send you all off to. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content. No, that's the old thing. I upload educational videos to YouTube 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So you can check those out there. If you missed any part of the stream and you want to catch that, I also upload those to my VODs channel, which you can get to from here or from the links in chat. So follow, subscribe, whatever there. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Those are the programming streams, and sometimes I do other programming streams throughout the week. Although if I'm going to do bonus streams this week, it's going to be Pokemon. So sometimes I stream Pokemon. This week I will be streaming more Pokemon probably. But I announced my programming streams on Twitter and on the Discord, which you are free to follow and join and come hang out with us. There's a nice little community. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. Am I going to Pokemon in a bit? Yeah, I'll probably end stream, and then I'll probably start another stream. That way I don't have to watch my numbers go. I'm probably going to go eat some food, and then start streaming again. Oh, it's 8:30 though. Yeah, I'll probably stream some Pokemon after this. But yeah, let's go find someone to raid first off, and then if I stream later, I'll stream later again. Who do we got online today? We have not raided. Is Queb actually streaming again? I haven't seen Queb stream in forever. Just start too. Yeah, let's go say hi to Queb. Yes. Oh, we haven't said hi to Splashly in a while either. Let's say hi to Splashly. We haven't said hi to Splashly in a while. The addiction is real, yeah. The raid has been created, which has changed their raid messaging. Interesting. Anyway, go say hi, be nice, etc. Throw up your Python if you got him. I'll see you around in the future. Have a good one, chat. Peace.